How to register for a new account on Zangi Messenger. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily register for a new account on this Messenger app. Go ahead and open Zangi Private Messenger first, and you will be taken to your first sign in and login page. From there, you're just going to have to tap on the sign in button. And if you are new, you could just tap on sign up. Now, first thing first, it will ask you to agree to its terms and conditions, then ask you to set up your profile. So just enter your name, click on continue. Now you're going to have to set up a password, or you could just skip this process for now. And if you skip the password, you won't be able to log in after logout and delete your account from Zangi Private Messenger website. However, you can still delete your account from within the app settings, privacy, and you can only do this while logged into the same account. So I'm going to quickly set up my password. Here I've entered my password. Now I'm going to click on continue and then click on continue again. So from here you can click on not now, and this is the number that you have. This is your ID, so you can invite your friends. That's how you basically create an account on Zangi Messenger app. If you found the video helpful, be sure to like it and subscribe to our channel. And I'll be seeing you guys on the next video.